Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to sell on Temu easily. So selling on Temu is a straightforward process once you understand the steps involved. Here is the step-by-step tutorial. Right, so number one, you need to create a seller account. For that you need to go to their website and scroll down to the very bottom and find a button Partner with Temu. Alright, so as you can see, you will need to send the email for the merchandise or a logistics provider and basically fill it in and say that you want to be a seller and a partner to Temu. And of course in the mail you will need to provide details about your business, upload a logo, add a description and include any other relevant information to make your store stand out. Of course after that set your shipping preferences, return policies and customer service details. Also, of course, don't forget to add products. Your seller dashboard will allow you to do that. Enter the detailed product information such as product title, descriptions, pricing, variations, for example, size or color, stock levels and shipping information. Set pricing and shipping. Optimize your listings by using the keywords in your product titles and descriptions to improve visibility in search results. Write a clear and informative product descriptions to help buyers understand what you're selling. Handle returns and refunds. Set a clear return policies up front. In the event of a return, communicate with the customer to resolve the issue and follow Temu's process for handling returns or issuing refunds. And lastly, you need to comply with Temu's policies. Ensure that all of your products and practices comply with Temu's terms of service. Avoid selling prohibited items or engaging in practices that could get your account suspended. Once you get the hang of it, you can scale your business by adding more products, optimizing your listings, and engaging with your customers. I hope this helps you guys. Go ahead and send the email, partner up with Temu, and start selling. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.